group yabantu bokuwalk.
Yeah.
Asambe ngisuka siyakuphi. Siyawalka mngani kuma 20 km 21 ngathi yo.
Yeah.
Thani ngizame lento. Thani ngizame hayi. Ngiyazameka but
Yeah. And you enjoying it?
yeah, mara ngasilula sisi.
Mawusaqala.
Yeah, ngasilula ngoba sekuyakhuphukela ukubona ukuthi sengiyale. Kufanele ukuthi ngiphinze ngibuye. Hayi. Ngicela ngishayela shemsesi.
Yeah. No, kuva kahle ngedala. Le youth.
Yes.
Yini into ukuthi uthathe le desk le youth?
Hayi. Ngithanda kakhulu naye youth kuba youth yethu ngala ikinisela kakhulu sisi.
Yeah.
Bakinisela kakhulu labantwana noma ubabona nawo vele mabavuka vele bavukela lana.
Yeah.
Ukuthi umntwana ulele vele bayethu commit vele yabona.
Hi ke, shout out to Bokatlego, Bokatlego Bontswaki, Bothomeka Thobza, German girl, yeah, nabantwana bethu laba ku matric this year, abakhoni ikuta, kuwalk never bathi umsebenzi wenu umuhle kakhulu niyashaya sibani tubekani njalo nende lokuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi you say your desk is being recognized kusho kona ukuthi nenda umsebenzi lomuhle and niqhubeke ke nifunze niphase. Good luck to you, Labenda Matric. A very good morning to you all, my beautiful people. This is Lawful Workers Podcast, and of course, this is your host Rebecca. I'm really podcasting live at Mkwatweni Oase Mara. Now today I've got a surprise for you. Ninama video awabantu labasilanzelayo all the way from Pretoria. And when let me go and play those videos for you. If I could see, but in my followers with Lawful Workers, I'll be right back.
Hi, local doctors. Kikothatso from Pitori. You recommended to Fijel Neki Rebecca, so I follow you guys. And then given the videos on go TikTok. Oh, wow, guys. Wow. I love the vibe. I love everything about your page. I just wish you guys look at Pretoria. Learn not to experience.
Hi, low-field workers. My name is Chantel, and I'm from Pretoria. I was introduced to this page by Rebecca.
Hi, local workers. I'm following you because of Rebecca.
Hello, Lawfield Worker. Ke nna honte from Pitori, ka le followa ke bone page ya lena ka Rebecca Sithole.
Well, shout out to you guys over there, Chantel in Pretoria. We love you so much, and we promise that definitely we are going to come and visit Pretoria and do a one walk with you. Even better, we might even form a team at that side. How do you like that? Now, of course, let's get down to business. Namuhla ke silanza Rebecca Wakasithole. We want to know, ngaphandle kokuthi Rebecca, now we know ukuthi hayibo Rebecca uyalisakada livangele Lawful Workers. Who is she and where is she from? My beautiful people, tune in. Hlala lapha uthini, get water. Uhlaliseke sizobona uRebecca ukuthi udume ngani. Babugel bami emakhaya njengoba sengishida ukuthi ngiyolanza sis Rebecca today ngimlanzile si podcastela eMara ke ngithe ewo kancane athi ufuna kwenda insaba ngithi insaba ayibrike ndomthatha ngimbuyisele la ngimthola khona bese uyayiqedzisa unjani sithando sami ngiyaphila darling please tshela bantu emakhaya ukuthi ngibani Rebecca.
Oh, mina ngimRebecca Sithole, ngibuya eMsholozi, eWhite River. Yeah.
Sis Rebecca utsabuka kuphi ngekutsabuka kwakhe?
Original from Pretoria.
Original from Pretoria.
Yeah.
Okay, so ngane nofika nini?
Ngala ngifike 2005.
Okay.
Yeah, ngifike 2005 bekungu March.
Bekungu March.
Yeah, but indoda ogoka last year.
Okay.
Or April. Yeah, April 2025.
April 2025.
Yeah.
Okay, Sandwa Sami. So, Sis Reeves, tell me, when I walk, uve kuphi ngayo since uhlala eMsholozi?
Yo, ngingumngane wamthobeka.
Okay.
Ngingumngane wamthobeka. Athi hayi mngane kunabanye abantu kunalenye igroup yabantu bogoka.
Yeah.
Asambi ngithi siyokuphi? Siyawokha mngani buma 20 kilometer 21 ngathi yo.
Yeah.
Thani ngizame lento. Thani ngizame hayi. Iyazameka but
Yeah. And you enjoying it?
Yabona ngasilula sisi.
Mawusaqala.
Yabo ngasilula ngoba sekuyakhuphukela ukubona ukuthi sengiyale. Kufanele ukuthi ngiphinde ngibuye. Hayi. Ngicela ngishayela shemsisi.
Yeah. Ngiyajwayeleka. No, kuva kahle ngedala. Okay, niyamuva ke seswethu ngilasithole, right? Noma ushadile kaSithole. Lasithole ke Rebecca. Ngithi singibo Rebecca la song 2. Rebecca Mdluli, Rebecca Sithole. Niyayiva ke ngoko? So ngizolokho nje ngithi lasithole ukuze ningaditholi inidideka. So Sithandwa sami njengoba so uyiqalile iwalk yakho nga-April. Ngiyakuva uthi it wasn't easy but ulwile waba imbokode kwaze kwafika today njengoba sisemara and I believe ukuthi awusayinzawo, right?
Not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Yabona fanele the time kuvaliwe.
Yeah.
Yophi ngizobuhlungu. Yeah, ubuhlungu vele ukuthi nyalo sengiyahlala sithale
Awusayinzawo.
And ukuthi ngitendele new one.
Yeah.
Angikhoni.
So ujwayele le
Sengijwayele
family.
ukuthi vele siyahlangana sonke vele. Manje manje one angikhoni vele angikhoni.
Sisaselapha ke ngiyeva ukuthi uyayi-enjoya. How is the walk helping you? Uwalkela mhlambe ufuna kuluza noma mhlambe kugula noma nje it's just for the fun of it. Ufuna nje keep a healthy lifestyle.
Ngifuna kuba fit sis.
Yeah.
Yeah, nokugula maybe ke if maybe kunala ngikho right ukhona ne but ukuba fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, kuba fit
Yeah,
yangisita
lokho
kakhulu
kubalulekile.
sesi ngoba before ngisaqala ne
Yeah.
but uma ukhuphukela uvele inhliti ukuthi hayi nyalo ayisekho lento.
Nyalo sekuhamba
Nyalo
kahle.
kuyahambeka nje sesi siyadlulana
Uyawu-owna lo mgwaqo
nyalo
manje.
soku right sesi. Nyalo soku right akusana mafutha la
Yeah,
nyalo soku right vele.
Yeah, no
fitness,
guys.
sis.
Yamuva seswethu. Kuku akasekho
ayisekho.
makahamba nje kusmooth aku-right. So Sis Rebecca, since ujoyine i-walk ngo-April, I believe so wabonile ama-walks lamaningi la ekhaya lahlukahlukene. Ngiyiphi i-walk longathi mhlambe wena uyaconnecta nayo mabathi nayi siyoyenda manje uyasebenza ungabaleka nasemsebenzini. Ikhona mhlambe le specially and do you have any reason why or uwathanza nje onke ayafana?
Awafani sis.
Awafana.
Awafani ngithanza angathi ukuthi ngithanzelana neyana neyangilimada ngithanza yaseluphisi. Yey sesi ngiyacala mina kukhuphuka lokho ya ngithanza yaseluphisi sesi.
Yeah.
Ngithanza yaseluphisi mangokhile ngiyeva mana ngathi ngigubha something
Yeah.
kubuhlungu konke.
Kulo mgwaqo.
Yeah, ngifuna lokho mina vele ngifuna ukuthi mangokhile sesi ngive vele ukuthi
Luphisi
mtimba.
kambe epinari.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yasike sayakhona level angiyikhohlwa.
Wayivakala?
Yeah, la engayiva vele.
Yakhomba story. Masicompare kule yasemara. La, njengoba semara namuhla.
Lena iyashaya. Hayi yasemara iyashaya ne?
Yeah.
Awona kunalenye ikhefu lapha. La uva ngathi seyidosa nelinyawo. Hayi yasemara iyashaya.
Ishaya kakhulu.
Yeah, lesikhuphukeni futhi masuqedza so.
Yeah.
Yeah, uva vele ngathi seyidosa inyawo la ka right.
Yes.
Iyashaya. But leselphisi ngithanze kakhulu sesi.
Okay.
Ngithanze kakhulu.
Uva nje lo mgwaqo ukuhambela kahle.
Yeah, iyakhuphukela ne?
Yeah.
But angathi ukuthi ngathi injani man.
But it connects with you. Utiva nje uyabona uyenta into bofuna kuyenda
Yeah.
ngalanga uma uye LP.
Yeah.
Nguva kahle ke Sithandwa sami. So njengoba la ekhaya we've got AIDS awareness walk, gender based violence walk, we've got cancer, autism, color walk. Which one is your favorite? Noma uwathanza wonke?
Ngiyathanza wonke sisi.
Uhappy ngawo wonke?
Yeah. Onke ngiyawathanza. But kakhulu naleya ye-gender based.
Okay.
Yeah, ngithanze yona vele kakhulu.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
onke vele abalekile kude ukuthi na onke vele sesabalekile
Yeah.
kude ukuthi umuntu othi leyana i-powerful
Yeah.
yabo onke vele abalulekile but le
Yes.
gender based
ngiyo le oconnecte kakhulu nayo.
ngiconnecte kakhulu ngayo.
Ngikuva kahle sithando sami. Okay, so then la ekhaya sinokuthatha ama-long walks njalo ngabo June. Sithi we are uniting the African countries. Njengoba uyazi ukuthi la ekhaya vele we do have bantu lababuya bo-Zimbabwe, Mozambique and so far. So sinoku-decide ukuthi ngo-June sithathe i-walk sithi si-unite the African countries. Uma ubukile because I know ufike manje do you think lento lesiyendako iyahlangana iyenteka? Do you think are we getting what we want?
Yeah. Kukahle kakhulu sisi ngoba mase umhlangana nalabanye abantu bangaphandle yakhona ukuthi ukubona ukuthi okay abantu ba South Africa bayinda so nani manje ngale eZimbabwe senakhona ukubona ukuthi abantu base Zimbabwe baphila njani yabona kufana this year ngathi niyalisuthu ngithi senani nyalo kwaselisuthu ngeke usafana kwaseZimbabwe nyalo sonifunda lokunye kwaselisuthu ukuthi okay lisuthu sekufunda so nabo sevele nonke sekuyahlangana vele bonke bayathi ukuthi okay ngalena baphila so ngalena sekuso yabo ne-environment akufani ne-weather uthola maybe ngala kushisa kakhulu ngale uthola ushaka kakhulu or ngale uthola i-weather yakho
ibhekele
ukubona sevele seyafunza ukuthi okay ngale kuso ngala
no niyeva ke babukeli bethu emakhaya ukuthi uLasithole uyasho ukuthi no ubona ama-walks wethu ayasebentela kakhulu indeed siyafunza ngempilo yaseZimbabwe siyafunza ngeMozambique sisayofunza futhi ngeLesotho njengokusho kwakhe ukuthi ma-weather wafani vele ziyobe zibuya ngelikhata eLesotho but the important thing ukuthi masifunza sifunzana then siyakhona ukuthi okay ngiyathi umntwana kithi udzabuka kuphi baphila so and so and so but into lebalekile konke ukuthi sihlangane sibambane sikhone ukutreatana as munye because we are one, it's one blood. So darling like haya sina ma-desk sine youth desk sine wholesomeness desk sine bereavement ufila njani ngala ma-desk? Do you have a special desk longathi leyo uyayibhesisa noma mhlambe angibude ukuthi ufila njani nge-bereavement desk yethu ukuthi mangabe sihambelwe limember nangibabwethu?
Hello everyone. Hello Rebecca. Hello Rebecca.
Well, that was a short break from our Mr. Mashaba Fazu Omphathi wethu, the founder of Lawful Workers So sithanda sami sisaqhubeka ke ngequestion yethu ukuthi sina ama-desk lahlukahlukene likhona i-desk lokuconnecta nalo kakhulu angicale phasi ngoba mhlawumbe sesikhohliwe. We've got a youth desk, we've got a bereavement desk, we've got a wholesomeness desk. Ngiliphi li desk lothi wena leli ngilithanda kakhulu? Le youth.
yes
Yini into ukuthi le desk le youth?
hi there ngithanda kakhulu nange-youth ba i-youth yethu ngala ikinisela kakhulu sisi bakinisela kakhulu labantwana noma ubabona nawo vele mabavuka vele bavukela lana akukho ukuthi umntwana ulele vele bayethu commute vele yabona sisi.
Hi ke shout out to Bokatlego Bosihli Bokatlego Bontswaki bothobeka Thobza uGerman girl nabantwana bethu laba ku-matric this year abakhoni ikuta ku-walk niyeva bathi umsebenzi wenu umuhle kakhulu niyasishaya sibani chubekani njalo nende lokudla ngaso sonke isikhathi. You see your desk is being recognized kusho kona ukuthi nenda umsebenzi lomuhle and nichubeke ke nifunze niphase. Good luck to you Labenda Matric. Sandra, thank you so much ukuthi you are finding a desk yalabantwana labasha ukuthi basebenza kahle. They're going to be happy ukuthi at least we are seeing umsebenzi wabo laba wenda ukuwalk kuvuka kusilula baya esikoleni labantu Saturday funa balale but bayavuka
labantwana
bethi bato wenda umsebenzi wabo
umuhle futhi
uya understand kuhande njengoba anhlede ekhaya ngedi ukhona akekho ukhona because yasho ukuthi guys ngendeleni 1 2 3 mina ngitohlanganisa ezinhlede ekhaya because she's doing matric now Nasiya I believe she's doing matric funzani. So Strips ngiyabonga kakhulu. Sithando sami, tell me yini into longafisa kuyitshela umuntu longajoin iLawful Workers?
Yo mula ngajoin ngicela ngijoyine niyaluza yo nyaluza vele ekuqaleni akukho lula ne
Yeah.
but the time so and i-fitness now uyativa ukuthi nonyalo semtimba kwami alright vele u-strong
Yes.
ngicela ukuthi shem nijoyinini or noma if awujoyini i-Lowveld but at least do exercises.
Yes, do something.
Yeah, do something, exercise ani sidle healthy awudibona impilo
It over right.
ngoba right sis.
No, ngiyabonga kakhulu sithanda sami. I think ngitholile ukuthi sis Rebecca ungubani nawe lo hleti lapha ekhaya sesiyathi ukuthi loyi ngisis Rebecca Sithole lo ngiRebecca Mdluli. So sengiyathi manje nibona phela ukuthi lo ngiribs wakasithole and lo ngiRebecca Mdluli so sesiyamati ke ukuthi sesiwethu udzabuka kuphi niyathi ke ukuthi masekashada or endani kusho ukuthi ngente kathi Thole siya ePretoria yani understand la way. Thank you so much Sithanda sami but ngingakakuyeka lo hambe. How were your holidays? How were your December holidays?
Ngizobheka right shembe right yahlala kahle nefamily
Yeah.
but ukuthi awokhi Saturday
Lokuthi Saturday
ukuthi awuvuki ayithola kahle but ma holidays vele bheka mnanzi ifamily nihledi nonke vele
Yeah.
right but le ukuthi awokhi
Yeah.
sivalelani kahle kahle December
Mr. Mashaba sivalelani.
sivalelani ngoba Saturday vele sivalelani
Why is fun?
sivalelani izobe sivula February vele
Exactly. Kukhashane kakhulu futhi.
Ntate Mashaba
Ntate Mashaba umbuzo umile. Why sivale and why sivule February? Sicela usiphendule.
akasiphendule shame Ntate Mashaba
No, Tithando tami ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nisilalele nisiphe indlebe nithathe isikhathi senu nisibukele. Ngaso sonke isikhathi nihlezi nisifollow ni like. Siyabonga kakhulu and we really appreciate lithandvo lenu nesupport lenisikhombisa yona. Chubekani njalo nisifollow nisilike kuma social media platform pages wethu lana ka Lowveld Walkers. Mina nasis Rebecca sibeka lana ke namuhla. Siyobonana next week. Sengichamuka nalelinye li guest lethu. Who knows? Naba ngiyababona bayandlula bayi2 maybe dothatha one wabo lapha yana nge podcast lesimati ukuthi ungubani but from me and sis Rebecca sithi #don't promise comment. Bye bye bye. #positive minds, positive vibes. #I am possible. This is Lowveld Walkers podcast, and of course, this is your host, Rebecca Mdluli, signing out. But I will be seeing you soon this coming Saturday at Platsak at Save Move. We are doing an anti-bullying walk. Now remember, bullying so Lowveld Walkers is totally and strongly against that. So come and join us so that and so that you'll know what bullisha mundu mpumela wakhona kuba yini kulo mundu ganye naguwe. Now 5:20 the aerobics are starting. 5:30 the walk is officially starting. Don't be late. So basically in Zilitina mind, body and soul #don't promise commit.